Barka, the problem is exactly this. You look at the political response to all that has transpired. JDS is waking up to this only because today it has become unimaginably embarrassing for them and for the entire family that has a rich political legacy. BJP is saying, ask Karnataka state government. Karnataka state government is saying we had no clue about this, but we will act about this only now. And why is there an alliance? Even though they were in alliance with the same JDS and this guy was the MP with them in the past as well. So it's all politically convenient, right?
This is so shameful that these guys are now coming up with new stories. They don't know anything when everything was in public domain. Everything, media knew everything. That guy went to the court. Everything was in public domain and they are so conveniently blaming each other. See how much we have stooped in politics. They are blaming, but nobody took action. This man has fled to Europe. How could he fly to Europe? Who helped? So the bigger question is, instead of talking about the victims, instead of talking about a fair investigation where things can be clear, we are blaming each other. This one did do, Congress is blaming BJP, and the woman who was speaking right now, she is saying that they are allies with BJP. Aren't they allies with you? So if all of them are in the same place, they are not talking about the things, the women who were the victims, or whether they should be, the court should probe the matter. And I think it's a matter where court will come up. Let's give it some time so that courts give the judgment on what exactly happened. As I personally feel, I'm not sure that whether these videos are authentic or what happened exactly. Just because 4 days before election, why did this come up? Just 4 days. The woman who was speaking for the first time on television, I just now saw her, the chairperson. She is saying she was not, she didn't know anything. How is that possible? When media knew, everybody knew in Karnataka, then how could she not know about it? There's something fishy. I don't understand those stories.
What do you mean that there is something fishy? What is it that you're getting at?
So, might be there is a conspiracy. Who is trying to build up the story? Why during the election I am...
No, but it isn't coming during the election. It's resurfacing during an election. And, you know, to be honest, the gravity of the situation, the kind of charges that are coming to light, I'm very happy they're coming out in election. Because at least during election time, we'll get some accountability. No, otherwise, when these videos came to light last June, nobody seemed to bat an eyelid. That's exactly the point I'm raising. This man, now I am not pronouncing him guilty.
Shivani,
let
can
the
I
courts,
just make a point?
Ma'am, I'm coming to you, but I am not pronouncing him guilty. Let the courts decide if the videos are morphed, not morphed, true, untrue. But the man is on the ticket, despite facing such grave charges by hundreds of women, China NC.
I just want to say 2-3 points. One is, do people like Revanna need to be ostracized? 100%, 1000%. Must we collectively speak on this issue? Yes, because our government stands with the dignity of women. It is absolutely clear that we will not tolerate any kind of disrespect to Nari Shakti, or for that matter, this is a very far-fetched case of atrocity over atrocity. I think social ostracization is also important, and I'm glad that he's been suspended, because the last thing we want is to see people like Prajwal in parliament. That is one. Second, is this investigation imperative? Yes, it needs to be fast-tracked. The FIR which has been filed, where the father and son have been booked on multiple charges, and we know that this is not just going to be something which the public or the media is not going to take to its logical conclusion. My only plea to women at large and the Women's Commission is, please do not circulate videos for sensationalism of this scandal, because it's a disrespect to all the victims who have been privy to this high-handed political arrogance and insulation that certain people thought they could get away with. It is unfortunate that the state government chose not to act despite knowing a couple of months back. And we are very clear that we want this
So-
investigation at the fastest, the earliest, and the atrocities against these women is not just condemnable, it's shocking. So must we speak up? Yes, we must speak up, but collectively we must ostracize. So let's not get into only the points of the Congress not having acted in terms of law and order despite knowing, because they are in the state, or the fact that, you know, he has fought an election. This is a case of nothing but a male misogynistic mindset that treats women as objects, that objectifies women and treats them so poorly that we need to collectively
No,
ostracize.
all of that is fine.
And Shivani,
All of that is
unless
fine.
we do this,
Ma'am,
we will
all
have
of
no
that is
change in our
fine.
mindset. We will only be in a slugfest.
No, all of that is fine. My question to you is, you're the representative of the BJP JDS alliance. What happens if he gets elected?
No, but he has been suspended, so it's very clear. Our stand, I'm sure our party leadership will announce in the days to come. Right now, this investigation needs to be at the fastest so that the facts are in the public domain, and we know that if there are clips which have come which are horror driven, for one and all it will be the investigative agencies which will decide, because as of now he has been booked on multiple accounts, and we need to ensure that it becomes a watertight case for the examples of anyone who chooses to lead this psychopathic lifestyle. It is so shocking that a 33-year-old who believes that he can assault any woman, and the
But
way he
can I
has
just
done
say-
it so brazenly.
No, can I just
think we
say,
need
I
to
don't understand why
unequivocally
only
speak
he's
up on
facing
this.
the action when his father is also booked, and his father is also accused of the same
No,
crime.
father and son have been booked on 355. No, both father and son have been booked on 354A,
Yes, but
354D.
the suspension
and the
has
fact
only
is
come
that
for
this
him.
case is, well, obviously the SIT will come out with whatever it deems fit, and whatever are the facts in the public domain. I'm sure there'll be a collective outcry, and I hope that that transcends all party boundaries, because this is genuinely about the beast in a human being, and this is nothing but a barbaric act which is so dastardly in nature that one cannot even speak in multiple voices.